Back to the channel. Today's episode, unboxing number 1. Okay, let's get stuck in. This is a package from one of my favourite suppliers, Magnetic Racing. So let's open it up and see what's in there, eh? As usual, very well packed. Plenty of bubble wrap and lots of goodies inside. Okay, let's go through it all. Must be the power source for the big one. I'll put that aside. Here we have the double head floodlight, and I ordered 8 of those. So I'll quickly get them out. Eight. And also in the box, single head. There should be 3 of these. And there is 3. What is this? Magnetic Racing phone holder. I did not order that. That is an extra gift. Thank you, Ian and Doug. That will get a lot of use around here on the craft desk, I can tell you now. Thank you very much. Don't know what this is. I'll put that aside for now, because this is the big one. 4 headlight tower. This is really going to bring the track to life. Now, what is this? They've sent me a Champion billboard, a light up kit. That's incredible. Thank you very much, guys. I did not order this. I did not expect this. That is fantastic. I think I might make this one first, because I've seen them online and in pictures and videos, and they are fantastic. So I might make this one first and see how I go with that, and then I'll move on to the serious stuff. Sticker for the light tower. Shane, if you ever run out, give me a hoy. I've got a few for you. So there you go, my first unboxing video. I'd like to say a huge thank you to Ian and Doug from Magnetic Racing for, as always, magnificent kits. A huge thank you for the bonus, the Champion billboard. That's a great surprise. Thank you very much. You may see some new cars that arrived over Christmas. These will get an unboxing as well. I'll do a little bit more on the track and the cars, because I haven't done much of that till now. So thanks very much for watching.